plus first we expand all these terms x into y plus 9 into x plus 9 into y. Look at this. This is the one terms are common. The x is common also there is x. So now we write x plus y. And then also the 9 is the common. So we write plus 9x plus y. So one terms are the common because the topic is grouping terms. We can group the terms. We can x plus y, right? X plus 9. So this is the examples of grouping terms. Another, how can we explain factorizations by using the identities method? So by using identities method, we write some examples and explain it. You know that in previous classes you have already learned the identities. So we write first the point of the identities. Some form of identities is, first form is, you know that a square minus b square. We have already learned a plus b